Hello students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a new chapter from your textbook. Number 2, addition up to 10. So students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about addition. So students, do you know about addition? Yes, putting two or more number is called addition. Addition means to put things together, or addition means combining, or we can say that addition means joining. So in this video we are going to study about addition up to 10. Okay, so let's begin the class. Students, this is the symbol of addition, that is known as plus. Okay. Students, first of all let's discuss one example for addition. Look in this picture. There are 3 birds on the tree. Now one more bird joins them. So now students, how many birds are there? So to find this we have to add. So students, we in first tree there are 3 birds, so 3. Then in next tree there is 1 bird, so 3 plus 1 is equal to, let's count, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, 1 is equal to 4. So there are 4 birds in this picture. How many birds are there in this picture? Yes, there are 4 birds in this picture. So students, addition means joining or combining. So when we combine 3 birds with 1 bird, we get 4 birds. Now look at your book, open page number 20, addition up to 10. So now students, here activity is given here. Look at this beautiful picture that is given here. There are so many birds with their baby nest in this picture. Now let's do the activity. How many in all? So students, here we have to count and tell how many in all. So the first one, in first picture there are 2 birds at first side, then 2 birds in the next side. So how many birds are there? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you have to fill here 4. Now in next one, what you have to do? There are 4 bird, 4 crow. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in next picture there is 1 duck. So 1. Now 4 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here the answer is 5. So in second you have to fill here 5 birds. Now in next one, what you have to do? There are 3 parrot. 1, 2, 3 and 4 parrot in the first side, plus How many swan? 1, 2 and 3. So sorry students, there are 3 parrot, not 4. So then 3 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 birds. How many birds? 6 birds. So here you have to fill 6. Now students, let's come to the question number A. How many in all? Count and write. So students, here we have to count how many in all, and we have to count and write. So let's do this. In first picture there are 4 rows, and in second there are 3. So 4 and 3 makes 7. It means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now in next picture there are 2 ball. In next there are 3 ball. So here we have to write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here answer will be 5. Okay. Now in next, how many butterflies are there? In first there are 3 butterflies, and in second there are also 3 butterflies. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here answer will be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. You have to write in the given circle. So I hope you understood this activity. Now here putting together 2 or more number is called addition. So students, what is addition? Putting together 2 or more numbers is called addition. The sign for addition is plus. What's the sign of addition is? Plus. Now counting forwards to add. So students, here we have to count forward to add. Add 3 and 5 by counting forward on the number strip. So students, here we have to add numbers by counting forward. So here what we have to do? We have to add 3 and 5 by counting forwards on number strip. Okay. So first of all we have to come to the number 3 on this number strip. Then we have to count forward. 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Shown in this picture. Then we get the number 8. So students, 3 plus 8 is equal to, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Not 3 plus 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So students, to add 3 and 5, we have to start at 3 and count forward by 5. Then you will reach 8. That was the real answer. Now students, let's come to the activity I can do it. Add by counting forwards on the number strip. So students, like here, you have to add by counting forward on the number strip. So the first one is already done for you. That is 6 plus 2. So students, when we count forward from 6 when we count 2 forward from 6 we get 8, and in next we have to do 3 plus 2. So students, 3 after 3, 4, then 5. So here the answer will be 5 in next. 5 plus 1. So students, after 5, 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 5, 6 and 7. 7. 3 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. So here answer will be 9. In last, 2 plus 8. So students, we have to count 8 more than 2. So we have to count from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we get 10. So this was the answer. You have to practice this by using number strip like this. Okay? I hope you understood the concept of addition by the help of this video. So you have to practice addition from page number 20 and 21. You have to do all the activities that is given in this page number. So students, at last, what you studied in this chapter about addition. And what is addition? Addition is number that we put together, or we can say that putting together 2 or more numbers is called addition. And addition means together, combining and joining. Thank you students. Keep practicing and keep learning and keep smiling. Bye students.